This is our new one, the Liberator 3, and we're very excited about it. And you can probably see some resemblance here. So what we're doing is, I really wanted that idea of the mechanism being where the center of gravity is in the tool. So it's sitting right behind the working head, and that way you can have that pistol grip just like you do with the Pro. However, this is very quiet. So 2000 milliamp battery. This battery is extremely robust, and we're very comfortable standing behind a 1-year warranty on this tool. It's a powerful tool, and it's light. This is 2.5 pounds, so full pound less than that one. And it just gives you that sense of balance. That's what I like about it. You know, the triangle handles that you've probably seen, it's a very different kind of a balance. And so personally, I really like this. I think it gives you better control. And then the other thing about this tool is the rotating head assembly. So you have the ability to move between different positions here. That way, that's going to adjust your ergonomics, you know, whatever you need. It's got 4 positions, and the last one is completely straight. So that allows you to come in with some pressure, use the weight of the tool on heavier muscles. This tool is going to operate by a momentary switch. This is a prototype, so it takes a little second here to turn on. But once you do that, I'm going to turn this back to 90 here. Once you do that, then you can increase or decrease the speed. And you can do all of that while you're working. So you can have your thumb here, just controlling speed while you're working. And you get that same idea of being able to focus your weight on the head. So battery indicator lights here. This battery is incredible. So this thing gets 4 to 25 hours of battery working time. And it is removable, so if you want to, you can have more than one battery. You know, just press the button, this battery comes off. And in terms of heads, this will use the same silicone head as the Muscle Liberator 2. So these are our trigger point heads. We have them in 3 different hardnesses. So there's a lot of packs a punch. It's a 13 millimeter throw, but it's a really powerful motor. It's over 65 pound working weight. You can really, really lay into it, and you really can't stall it out. I mean, it's so robust. Doesn't matter how hard you push, that motor is going to keep up. So, you know, really excited about it. And it allows you to have a degree of control that is just really nice. Now, even at a high speed, this is a very quiet tool. It's under 50 dB, so you can use this in any environment. So it gives you almost the power of the bigger tools without that sort of having to put up with that noise all the time. So 16 different speeds. So here we're fairly slow, and you can just use the tool to float, or you can lay into it a little bit. In terms of heads, we have sort of the usual. This is a softer ball mount head, which is nice for warming up. You've got more targeted heads. These, of course, are hard, so you got to be careful where you are applying pressure. You don't want to be right over a bony surface with that. So Muscle Liberator 3, it just gives you a ton of options. Super reliable. This is a pro quality tool. You can use this with your big athletes. It's a great self-care tool. Yet, you know, you can bring it down to a very light type of pressure here. So this is our softest silicone trigger point head, and you can easily come into the neck, no problem. You know, so what I like about it, sometimes when you have a lot of power and you have a long throw, a lighter tool is going to bounce around. So if you go at a slow speed and you don't have a certain amount of gravity, you know, you don't want the tool to be bouncing. This has that weight sitting right over the head, so you're not really going to notice that as much. So I think it's just a terrific combination of features. We're very happy about it. So I encourage you to check it out. This is really going to be, I think, our best tool ever. I love the Muscle Liberator Pro, and I use this one a lot for self-care, particularly, glutes and so on, because it's real penetrating. But it's not for everybody. It's not for every situation. You're going to find it a little harder to be lighter with that tool. Ideally, you would have both. I do, and I use both regularly for different purposes. Muscle Liberator 3, wonderful tool, adjustable head angle. I think you're going to like it.